Hey, it's Mega, aka the Art Messiah, here to save you from your art sins. It is day 8 of the 30 days of a comic making challenge. I hope everyone is doing great today. I'm getting back into the swing of drawing stuff. I took a break for the weekend and went to OhioCon. It was a lot of fun. I got to relax and, not think about work or drawing, and I could kind of just be there and recharge. So hopefully you guys like that video of me walking around a little bit. Next time I go to the con, I'll make sure to take more footage, ask more questions, and really make the most of the experience. But it was a lot of fun. So today I'm getting back into character design, and this time I am working on expressions. So today is my day to study. So I've been studying other people's expressions and how they draw them, what makes them very expressive and lively. So I went to some of my favorite artists and my favorite comics. And in this case, it was One Piece and a web comic called Paranatural, created by Zach Morrison. He is an incredible artist and author. Check out his comic Paranatural if you haven't. He has really great characters and character design. So just learning some expressions off of the greats. I really like characters that have a wide range of emotions, and they can show that with their facial expressions. So my main character is going to have, a certain set of expressions that make him unique. But he is going to be a very expressive character. So I want to get into that mode and zone of creating really expressive facial features and how they interact with the world. I think you can add in a lot of humor, a lot of emotion, and story development when you have good facial expression. So today will just be my studies. Tomorrow is going to be then making specific expressions for my characters. So I hope you guys kind of enjoy me just studying and practicing, because that's what art is all about. You got to study, you got to practice. So get out there and do it, guys. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Peace.